At CIM, we design and manufacture solutions for personalization and fulfillment of cards used in financial, government, retail, and ID applications. CIM is a leading company for the supply of metal tag marking and product ID solutions for industrial and military labeling applications. Since the mid-1980s, CIM card personalization solutions have been deployed and supported worldwide through a vast network of resellers. Our headquarters is located in Bologna, Italy. Our customers' needs are our focus. We control and manage the entire product development cycle, from hardware to software. Our technology is built to last, flexible for all purposes, with ease of use in mind. We offer a full range of solutions for efficient centralized card issuance. The Premium series can be configured based on the client's production needs and card application. The Modular Pro series can be operated inline or standalone, depending on job requirements. For cost-effective instant issuance, the Maxima series is the solution preferred by banks and financial institutions around the world. The Sunlight Saturn is a compact and portable high-quality desktop card printing solution. The Metal Plate Systems products offer a full range of variable marking technologies for any permanent marking or tagging applications. We take care of our products by controlling and paying attention to every detail during the productive process. Quality, technology, and flexibility. The winning CIM formula.